So how do you sign out of the Google Home app on the iPhone? And let's explain that. And if it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing to it because I have so many tutorials and videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So we of course have the Google Home app, which you can like locate and everything. And once you just get started, if you do it for the first time, you have to like allow all of the different things and choose your accounts to use your Google Home app with, right? So you just go through all of that, and inside you have like this page where you have your activity, your devices, and automations. But if you want to sign out of that app, you just tap on the like profile picture in the top right corner. So it's like a circle with your picture or a name initial. You tap on it like this, and you can tap on your down arrow next to the accounts. And you are supposed to click on the manage devices on this device, manage accounts on this device, right? So you click on this button and you can now decide which account you want to actually use, right? So you have the ability to like literally remove it from your device like this and therefore sign out of the Google Home app or switch to a different account. So they would work out very well, but like it's the same principle across all Google applications because you can go, for example, to Gmail or Google Calendar, and there as well you get to select the account. You might even have multiple, so you can switch in between them or remove them from your device in case you want to sign out of that. So that's how it works. Let me know and just, share your thoughts below. If you managed to do it, thanks a lot for your support and watching, and I'll see you later as well.